Hey everybody, today I'm going to do an unboxing and install video. A company by the name of Ennoking had sent me out an LED grow light. It's the AG-1000 with a wire remote and a wired remote. So we'll get the best of both worlds here. We'll see how it works when we open it up. It has a 3 foot by 3 foot coverage range, and the Kelvins range anywhere from 3,000 to 6,000. So let's go ahead and dig in and open this box and see what we got. All right, this is how I received the box. Just gonna go ahead and get this thing opened up. And here we have the owner's manual. It looks like this is what you got when you open your box. Now, I'm not sure if they sent this out to me like this due to this review, or if you guys are going to get something that has their logo on it or whatnot. Let's go ahead and pull out the light. As you can see, she's quite small. It is not a 3 foot by 3 foot light. Don't mistake that. This is a 3 foot by 3 foot coverage. Here we're measuring about 1 foot by approximately 11.5 inches. Here it looks like we have the wired remote here. Now in the box we have a hanger. It's one of them ratchet hangers like you see in all my videos. We have some IR glasses, very, very cool. And we also have some metal hangers for hanging the light. I'll show you guys how I'm going to install this in a minute. And the key feature to this light is this wireless remote. So you have 10%, 20%, 30%, 50%. Then you got 60, 70, 80 to 100% on high. And here you have your timers. You can set it for 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 10, 12, up to 16 hours. And of course your on and off switch. Very simple wireless remote. We will test this here very, very soon. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the zip tie here. Let's cut that out the way. Here's your power cord that plugs into 110. Okay, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and take these metal hangers. You take it apart. It'll look something like this. It's all self-explanatory. I didn't even read the directions. It's very, very self-explanatory. So all you're going to want to do is figure out how you want to hang your light. You got different options here. I'm going to clip one there, and I'm going to clip one on this side. Just like that. Now that's one side. Okay, I'll go ahead and clip this side. And we'll clip this side. All right, everybody, I'm going to go ahead and take this rubber band off. We're going to go ahead and hang this ratchet strap, or a ratchet hanger. It's going to pull me down some slack. And I always take this end here. I leave the ratchet hanging lower so it's easier for me to adjust instead of adjusting up on the top there. And let me climb up here, and I'm just gonna, this is a PVC pipe that I have hung on the wall here. That's where I hang all my lights, as most of you know watching my videos. And what I do, I just hang it around and clip it right back into itself. And there we have it. Now we're gonna take the light, figure out our power cords here. So I'm going to probably plug it in over there. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this down, clip it in here. I'm going to take the other side and do the same thing. And clip that right there. Okay, now that it's plugged in, you can see right here on your wired remote, you have your power button here, which you can flick it on. That's pretty bright. You could adjust your dimness level here. Let's see how many clicks we got to the brightness. That's as low as she could go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it looks like 7 adjustments for your power out. This is a 100 watt light. Also, every time you click a button, it says OK here. And so what we're going to do now is show you this white part right here, that where this LED driver comes down. There's a magnet right there, and on the middle of this remote there'll be a magnetic strip there. All you could do is just click it like that and she'll hold. Alright, what I like to show you is the wireless remote, and all you got to do is take this plastic tab, just pop it out of there. That'll activate the batteries in the remote, and you can see here we hit the power on. And let's see what setting we're on. Okay, right now I just hit the 10%. Now let's hit the 20%. Then 30%. 40%. I'm sorry, that was 50%. 60%, 70%, 80%, and 100%. And of course, I showed you guys before, you got your timers down here. So you have 8 different selections from 10% to 100% for your brightness, and you have from 2 hours to 16-hour timer. Like I said, I am going to have mine on a timer that I use for all my lights, so I'm just going to leave this thing on and let my programmable timer turn it off when I want it to turn off. Alright everybody, I'd also like to mention that with the remote control, you want to keep wherever you put, when you put this on your magnet here and you hang this up, or wherever you have this hanging, you want to keep this in line sight of the remote, because this is where your remote sensor is going to be for this. So for example, if I hide this away to my side and I try to turn it off, no matter where I go, it's not going to work. Okay? But if you shine it within distance from this here wired remote, that's how you're going to get your best signal. It came with IR glasses, which is a great feature. I'm going to go ahead and power this off, which you should be wearing because these will protect your eyes, and they are included. Pretty cool. So that way, anytime you're looking up in your light, which you don't really need to do, but I'm going to look at it because I want to see the cool colors. So I'm going to give you guys a close-up on this. And there you have it. You can see your 6000K light bulbs all the way down to your 3000K. The yellows you see there, those are your 3000, your bright white ones. Those are your 6000 Kelvin LEDs, and then you have your red ones. Alright, it's going to get you guys a little bit of close-up here. So we're going to take the wired remote. I'm going to show you how you can stick it on there just like that. Here's how I got it hooked up here. It goes all the way up and clips itself right there. So I'll put all the links down in the description area so you can check out the link if you'd like to purchase this. Today the price was, I believe it was $67.14. So hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, subscribe, like the video, and have a great day.